What happens when the thief targets not jewels or money, but nature's own treasures? In 1995, England witnessed the mysterious disappearance of a centuries-old yew tree, known for its bark's medicinal properties used in cancer treatment. This audacious crime left botanists and locals in uproar, valuing both the environmental and medical impact. Despite intensive investigation, the identity of the perpetrators remained elusive, with no witnesses or leads. The yew tree's theft sent ripples through the community, highlighting how nature itself isn't immune to the clandestine world of crime. This unsolved mystery continues to perplex and remind us of the unexpected targets within criminal exploits.